Hello guys, now we'll discuss about substitution method. It is one of the important topic in pair of linear equations in two variable from our 10th class. See here, we will solve step by step. Totally we have around yeah, 5 steps. First look at the question. Solve the given pair of equations using substitution method. So we have two equations. The first one is 2x minus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. So if we consider a step one, so in one of the equations, express one variable in terms of other variable. So here we have two variables. One is x and one is y. We can express any variable in terms of any variable, but as per the steps here he mentioned that say y in terms of x now. So let's follow that. So we have two equations. The first equation is 2x minus y is equal to 5. Let's say equation 1 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Let's say equation 2. Now, if you take equation 1 can be written as y is equal to 2x minus 5. See here, in step 1, in one of the equations, express the one variable in terms of the other variable. Here I wrote y variable I wrote in terms of x variable. So how I got it? If you take what is first equation, I have 2x y minus y is equal to 5, right? Just exchange the positions. So send y here, send 5 here. What happens? 2x minus 5 is equal to y. Exactly. So y is equal to 2x minus 5. So I got a y variable in terms of x. Now, so next what to do? Substitute the value of y obtained in step 1 in the second equation. So here I got the value of y. What is that? 2x minus 5. Now what to do? Just I have to substitute this y value in other equation. Other equation means equation 2. What is equation 2? 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Okay, fine. So 3x plus 2 y. Here in place of y, what is the y value we got? Y is equal to x minus 5 now. Just write the y value 2x minus 5 in place of y variable. So 2x minus 5 is equal to 11 is equal to 11. Finish. Next 3x 2 to the 4x 2 5 the 10. We have minus 10 is equal to 11. 3x plus 4x 7x. Here we have minus 10, right? Send this minus 10 to RHS, it becomes 10 plus 11 21. Now so we'll get finally 7x is equal to 21. So x is equal to 21 by 7. 7 1s is 7 3s are. So we got x value. X value is 3, right? Now, so now we got x value, right? So actually we have to find the two variables. Between among two we got one variable, that is x. Now we have to find out the y variable. So what to do? Let's check step 4. Substitute the value of x obtained in step 3 in either of the equations and solve y. So here we got x value 3, right? To get y value, we can substitute any. We have two equations now. We can substitute in any equations. Now let's take substitute x equal to 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2x minus y is equal to 5. Chalo. So we have 2x, right? Means what is x value? 3, right? So 2 into 3 minus y is equal to 5. So 2 3 is a 6 minus y is equal to 5. So 2 3 is 6. 6 minus 5. 6 minus y is equal to 5. So exchange the positions. So y is equal to, send y here, send 5 here. 6 minus 5, y will be 1. Right? So we got finally we got x value and y value also. Now finished. If you want to verify just the answers which we got to correct or not, once check step 5. Check the obtained solution by substituting the values of x and y in both original equations. Now we got x value what? X value 3, y value 1. So if you have any doubt now, you can confirm by substituting these two variable in given equations. Let's check once. Okay. So substituting x values of x and y in equation 2, we get, so what do we have? 3x. What is x value? 3 place 2y. What is y value? 1 is equal to 11. So 3 is 9 plus 2 ones are 2. 9 plus 2 11. So what we supposed to get? 11. Here also we have 11. So 11 equal to 11. So confirmed. So verified. So we can say that both the equations are satisfied by x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. So this is the answer. And we can solve same problem by another method. Like here in step 1, what he told in the one of the equations express one variable in terms of the other variable now. So here as per the reader na textbook na he gave that say y in terms of x. Now we'll do ulta quite opposite. Now we'll assume that y variable in terms of x. Let's check. So what are the variables equations? Yeah, 2x minus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Now this is equation 1 and equation 2. Now so 2x minus y is equal to 5. Now I want to express x variable in terms of y. So first what I do, to x equal, I send y to here, becomes a y plus 5. From that I can write x equal sorry x is equal to y plus 5 by 2. Why? Because here 2 is a multiplying x now. If I take this 2 to RHS, it divides. So here I got x value y plus 5 by 2. Next what to do? Substitute the, I mean this the value which I got, substitute in any other equations. What in equation 2? Let's take now. Okay, 3 into, what is x value? Y plus 5 by 2 plus 2y is equal to 11. 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 5, 15 by 2 plus 2y is equal to 11. Now let's do 3-step multiplication. 1 into 3y, 3y plus 15 and 2 into 2y, 4y by 2 is equal to 11. Let's do cross multiplication. What we get? 3y plus 4y, 7y plus 15 and by 2 is equal to 11 by 1. Do cross multiplication. Just give me a second, let me draw a line here. Okay, fine. Now okay, do cross multiplication. What happens? 7y plus 15 is equal to 2 into 11, 22, and 7y is equal to 22 minus 15. 7y is equal to 22 minus 15. I think it is 7. So 7 cancel. Y value will be 1. So now we got y value. Now to get x value, we have to substitute in any one of the equation. Okay, we don't have much space. Let's try. Yeah, substitute y equal to 1 in equation 1. So see what we get. 2x minus y value 1, right? Minus 1 equal to 5 and 2x 1 plus 5 6, 2 ones are 2 threes are, and finally we got x value 3. Yeah, so x value 3 and y value 1. That's all, students, and thank you. So we can do in different methods. Thank you. And yeah.